Hiya, it's Alan here from Easy Pond Limited. Over the next days and weeks, I'm just going to be running through a few things on our ponds that may help you with your fitting and installations. Today I thought we could start off with the bottom drains. So there are three main bottom drains that we fit to our ponds. I'll start off with the non-aerated ones first, and that is this ABS plastic drain. Very simple, 110mm pipe outlet, so standard solvent weld pipe, soil pipe. It is screwed into the pond by the holes there you see, and is sealed with CT1. It has a stem and a dome. Now you have to cut this stem down to the height that you require to get the gap between the dome and the pond base. Normally, if you can put your hand in and get it to about your knuckles, that is about right. And then we move on, let's get that down there, to the next drain, which is the Spindrifter bottom drain. We've fitted many of these in our ponds over the years. Good little drain. As you can see, it's PVC. Has the internal stem, which I've just put in to show, and a direct air kit. Now a direct air kit consists of that piece there and that piece there. Okay, this piece goes inside the drain. This piece goes on the end of your airline. When you've routed the pipe to where you want it, it ends up and looks like that, and you glue that section there on the end, and then your flexible pipe there then connects to your air pump. Okay, the diffuser then screws into the top of that stem. Again, you may need to cut, if you're fitting this in a pond, you probably need to cut that down somewhat to get the gap that you require between the diffuser lip and the pond base. Just put that to one side, and now we've got the storm drain, which is our own design, made by my own fair hands. All GRP construction, and as you can see, the diffuser itself is flush fitting, and you've got the airline coming down to the bottom, which you can see there, and we supply the direct air end feed to go to your air pump. So the beauty of this is we can spin that diffuser out, which also is PTFE coated, so none of the algae is going to stick to that surface and clog any of the holes up. Okay, so inside the pot, get a good vision of that. There you go. The bottom of the pot, as you can see, is like a snail shape, so this sends all the debris down to one point rather than being all over the base of the pot. The stem itself, this part here, is solid. It's part of the mould. It's never ever going to break, which is a common thing with bottom drains. No doubt you've seen posts on Facebook saying, oh, I need to go swimming because my diffuser has come off. It won't happen with this. So simply we just put PTFE tape around the thread of this here, pop that in and screw it on until it's tight. And that's it. This drain, this in particular drain here, has got the flange on it from here. All this is keyed up ready, so if it's going into a pond that is to be fiberglassed, this will sit into the concrete, and the fiberglasser can then fiberglass onto that part there, then masking tape it off, and when they put the flow coat, the finishing coat on, then take the tape off of the finishing coat, and there you have it. So you've got a structural bond between the fiberglass drain and the fiberglass pond. It's never going to crack and break off. So there we go. So your air pipe again comes out of here, same principle. we've got the airline pipe, so it's best to bring this out to the bottom, so the drain is over here, out and then up, and bring that up. If you're not going to use a non-return valve, then just bring this up to the height of the water level. That way you'll get no water return down into your air pump and knacker the air pump up. Just put that back in there. So there you go, that's the three main options for our bottom drains. Any questions, just drop me a message on this thread and I'll try my best to answer them. And there we go. All right, thanks guys, bye.